Wltoys 144001. This is one of the most successful products of Wltoys, which comes with a brush system. It has a 550 size brush motor, 2-in-1 receiver and ESC, which provides you a maximum speed of 57. They say 60, but the highest speed that I got with this car with the brush system, like about 57 kilometers per hour. And after this huge success, they have came with this one, which is here. As you can see, they look identical but with different tires, different coloring of the body shell, but the real difference is inside, because this has a brushless system which can provide you, as the company claims, a top speed of 75 kilometers per hour with its separate 60 amps brushless ESC, a separate receiver, a 3400 kV brushless motor in 2845 size, comes with a motor cooling, and also the ESC has a cooling system. It has the fan here. Both cars comes with metal differentials, so there is no issues to handling that speed, but it comes with this 2S 1500 milliamp hours LiPo battery, which is 7.4 volts, and with this battery it is not capable to make the 75 kilometers per hour speed, as this brushless setup handles a 3S LiPo battery. This is a 3S LiPo battery. Of course it doesn't fit it, but I'm just going to show you in my hand how the wheels turning when I use it. And this one, they are claiming that this car is capable to make 75 kilometers per hour with a 3S LiPo battery, not with the stock one. So let's see what is the top speed, I mean not the top speed, how the wheels spinning with the 2S LiPo and the 3S LiPo. Today I'm not going to make the speed test because I just got my hands on. It's about, almost night time, and after this first review video I'm going to make another video just in a few days to show you the top speeds with this one, with the 2S stock battery and the 3S battery, which I purchased separately. Also in the box we got the same charger setup, and also it comes with a hex wrench, the same user manual. Everything else are same, but the powering setup and the wheels. Okay, let me show you how the wheels spinning with these batteries. Actually, I am a little bit curious if this car is capable to make more than 75 kilometers per hour, because they were really spinning fast. And I also upgraded this one on myself. Actually, this comes with brush system, but I have already upgraded it, but with bigger, actually better electronics. At the moment, the Wltoys 144001 version has a 150 amps brushless ESC, 3900 kV, 3650 size brushless motor, which is actually for 110 scale cars, and I managed to have 98 kilometers top speed with this one because I have placed the speedometer here. If I did placed it under the spoiler, it would definitely pass 100 kilometers per hour. But if you try to make this process like me, this will be cost a lot more than this one, as this one is coming with brushless system from the factory assembly. Also, about the remote controller, it is same, but as they are using this separate receiver, they claim to have a maximum range of 100 meters, which is quite enough for the claimed speed and the size of the car. Okay guys, if you would like to get this one, I am just going to leave the link in the description, and just stay tuned. And if you are not subscriber of my channel, please subscribe to see the top speed test of this car, which is coming just in a few days. As always, thank you for watching and have a great day.